In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the persistent top bar notification in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams, then go straight to Chat from the left sidebar. At the top of your chat list, click the three-dot menu. In that menu, choose the first option, Mark All as Read. This clears any chat messages that Teams still thinks you have not opened, even if you already glanced at them before. Next, switch to Activity from the left sidebar. At the top of the activity list, click the three-dot menu again. Then choose Mark All as Read. This is important because that top bar notification can sometimes be tied to activity alerts, not just direct messages. Now head back to Chat. At the top of the Chat section, click the filter icon and select Unread. Teams will now show only the conversations that still have unread status. Open each conversation that appears. Give each one a moment so Teams can properly register it as seen. Once you have checked every unread chat, click the filter icon again and clear the filter to return to the normal chat view. If the notification is still stuck, the next step is to fully restart Teams. Look at the bottom right corner of your taskbar and find the upward arrow to show hidden icons. Click it. Then locate the Teams icon in the system tray. Right-click that Teams icon and choose Quit Teams. This closes the app completely instead of leaving it running in the background. Now open Microsoft Teams again from your Start menu or from the taskbar if it is pinned there. In many cases, that restart alone is enough to remove the persistent top bar alert. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the issue is still not fixed, reset the app. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Apps, then choose Installed Apps. At the top, use the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. As you type, the app should appear in the list. Click the three dots next to Microsoft Teams, then select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you reach the Reset section. Click Reset, then confirm the reset when prompted. This clears the app data and forces Teams to rebuild its local cache, which can fix notification badges that refuse to disappear. Once the reset is done, open Microsoft Teams again. You will need to sign in again, so go ahead and enter your account details and let the app load fully. After that, check the top bar notification. In most cases, it should now be gone. If you want the best result, make sure you complete these steps in the same order, starting with marking everything as Read, then checking unread chats, then restarting Teams, and only using the reset if needed. That gives you the quickest fix without doing extra work.